Hi, I'm Kate Feeks, and welcome to this online edition of Ask the Judge. Today we are talking with Judge James Kimbler of the Medina County Common Pleas Court about jury trials. Here is today's question for Judge Kimbler. What kinds of cases have jury trials?
Not every case has the right to a trial by jury. For example, in Ohio, divorce cases do not have the right to a trial by jury. What's called equitable actions do not have the right to a trial by jury. Juvenile cases have a limited right to trial by jury. In cases where there is not a possibility of a jail sentence or not a fine over $100, which is most traffic offenses, do not have the right to a trial by jury. The right to a trial by jury does exist for any case in which you can be sent to jail or prison, which means all felony charges and all first, second, third, and fourth degree misdemeanors. Any case in which you can be fined over $100, regardless of whether or not there could be a jail sentence. And any type of case that had the right to a jury trial in 1803 when we adopted the 1803 Constitution. The Ohio Supreme Court has said that any civil case in which you have the right to a jury trial in 1803, you have the right to a jury trial today. But if you didn't have the right to a jury trial in 1803, such as in divorce cases, most probate matters, then you don't have the right to a jury trial today. Well, what happens if you have a right that's been created since 1803? What if you have a right, for example, like employment discrimination, which didn't exist in 1803, or if you have a civil rights violation, which didn't exist in 1803? There, the Ohio Supreme Court has said that it depends on the actions of the General Assembly, the lawmaking body down in Columbus. If they create a right, and if they expressly provide in the statute that that right carries with it the right to a jury trial, then you have the right to a jury trial. So, for example, when the Ohio General Assembly passed our version of the Civil Rights Act, barring discrimination based on race, national origin, based on gender, based on disabilities, when they adopt those statutes, they also give the right to a jury trial. So anybody bringing a state action for that would have the right to a jury trial. But since they have never given the right to a jury trial in divorce, and since you didn't have the right to a jury trial in 1803 when there was a divorce action pending, then you don't have the right to a jury trial today. I would say of the cases that are filed in the Medina County Common Pleas Court, which is about 600 criminal cases a year, felonies, they all have the right to a jury trial. In about 2,000, 2,300 civil cases, I would say probably 90% of those have the right to a jury trial. So I would say that probably 95, 94% of the total cases in my docket do carry the right to a jury trial.